शशि 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 है स्टार्ट हाँ ओके friends, I am from Andhra. We are just working with Mr. Tipswami. He is supporting completely. We are just reporting to the Mr. Mahamadil sir, who is the country manager for India. We are both working to develop Dealshaker e-commerce platform in Karnataka. So we are here to promote now Sesi detergent soaps here. Yes, you can get the same with one coin also in Karnataka. It is possible. Because of this, Tipswami is doing well. Just see here. Godrej interior. If anybody wants to get the interior sofa sets or something which are related to Godrej interior, you may get it via Dealshaker e-commerce platform. They are all available. Just see this stock available right now. Those who want to get this, you can contact Mr. Tipaswamy. Just see this stock. Godrej interior. Who wants to get this? You just contact Mr. Tipaswamy. He is responsible to give all these products from Karnataka. Sir, these are the gold winner refined sunflower oil. Who want to get by using Dealshaker e-commerce platform? You just get it, no worry. Now gold winner oil also available in Karnataka. You can pay. If you want to get these coupons or you want to get these products, you just contact Mr. Tipswamy. He is the one who is working wholeheartedly to develop Dealshaker e-commerce platform in Karnataka. So this is the stock. This is the stock for gold winner refined sunflower oil के लिए. Just see here. Get it with Dealshaker e-commerce platform. Okay. Deepam oil, lamp oil, lamp oil. Yes. These are all the same. Like that. Deepam lamp oil भी मिल सकता है. You can get Deepam lamp oil also from Dealshaker e-commerce platform. This is the stock. For a stock. आपको भी. Yes, this is also Deepam lamp oil.
और parle लेना
फ्रेंड्स और एक प्रोडक्ट है ये पार्लीजी पूरा प्रोडक्ट्स मिलेगा Dealshaker e-commerce platform में. This is the stock. You can use this one. All this will be available in Dealshaker e-commerce platform. Just see the stock. देख सकते हैं लाइटिंग
2020
fresh yes lot of stock cashew cookies Parle-G का प्रोडक्ट्स है lighting
butter
yes friends these are the products available belongs to Parle-G. I think this is all the stock You may get all these products with the help of Mr. Tippaswamy sir. You can get all these products with the help of Tippaswamy from Karnataka. Parleys is also available right now.
Okay. Done. So रह बात
Yes. Friends from Karnataka, those who want to get furniture which belongs to Nilkamal, now available with the help of Mr. Tippaswamy. He is going to support, he will help you to get this Nilkamal furniture in Karnataka. This is the stock available. This is the stock. Nilkamal furniture. You may get it. These are all the stock available right now. This is the stock. You can stop it.